wedding, every girl wants to look like a celebrity, and every celebrity wants to look like a beautiful girl. How you wear your outfit, how you carry yourself on that day is so important, just changes the whole demeanor. So come on girls, let's learn some fun drapes from the celebrity artist herself. Yes, India's most popular celebrity drape artist, who has draped Deepika Padukone, Priyanka Chopra, Isha Ambani and recently Katrina Kaif. You guessed it, Mrs. Dolly Jain, and she is coming to Gurgaon to teach us some fun drapes. So don't wait. Grab your seat now by registering for my 7-day finishing workshop, where you not only get to meet Dolly Jain and learn from her, but you also get to learn so much more from other professionals as well. A complete package where you learn image management, kitchen management, relationship management, makeup and whatnot. For more details, just contact me on the numbers given below.